We've been using AI for a long time. We've deployed our own AI services and tools within our application itself. We created a team of a single individual from a department, and I think this is the most important part, is training it and giving it the right set of data and the foundational data that you're going to feed it. We've selected Claude as our preferred model. We did a lot of research in terms of where the data goes, is it being used for training, and we really wanted to make sure that our data remains within our business. The key for us was actually to be really specific and narrow down our data set, because what we didn't want to do is give it the whole of the internet data. We wanted to give it the AVM data, and it needed to be factual data in order to give us factual answers. Data is accessible to us literally at the end of a chat widget, so something that would take us ordinarily 4 or 5 hours to go and find this data, you can get within seconds.
The adoption has been great. Understanding different abilities between team members, and everyone's had really fresh ideas to the table. So, looking at people's tasks that they do day in and day out, everyone automatically had their AI hats on and thought, cool, what can I do with the AI platforms that we're using that can make my day-to-day easier? So in sales, we won't be using it to replace the human elements. We really focus on the core element of being relationship-led. So that's where we will always keep the human touch and not use AI. So you have to understand where AI fits into the task that you're using it for, and certain parts where you don't want to use it for. What we've done is we've created a skill where it can pull out all of the CRM information, even though you could see it on the dashboard. But what it does is it now automates the process where it's giving us a list of cards, scores, which one needs following up, and helps us action what we need to do.
So there's a lot of manual tasks that I've been dealing with over the years here, and one of them is asset registers and formatting them correctly. I've taught it the things I would normally delete myself, and it's able to identify those things, go through itself and format it the way I would want. And it's taken a task that would normally take me, on a big job, maybe 3 or 4 hours, put it in there, and it's like a 5-minute task really. User guides is another one. Claude will be able to look at the various resources, it'll look at our scope of work document and then the actual kit list of what's in the room, and it'll pull all that information together to create that output. When I was first building that skill, I gave it some of our own user guides and have told it to use the tonality we would use, format it the way we would, and obviously we've got all our branding stuff in there as well, so it uses the correct colours. We've got growth plans in AVM, and one of the key things for us is to harness AI to help us be more efficient within ourselves. So this allows us to probably juggle a little bit more without the stress of it, because the AI is essentially an assistant helping us process things but not burn you out.